What's going on, guys? Another day, another dollar. It's your boy Caliber, and yeah, I'm bringing you guys a new video, trading live. So today I gave out signals. It's the GBP USD sell, and we've been killing it all day long. Still holding. Looking to kill the wedge that's gonna be happening here, but that's not why we're here. I have been getting a lot of requests asking me that I should make a video, at least trading live, so that you can have an insight of what is it that I do and how do I trade, how do I take my trades, using the strategies that I have given you. So today I'm gonna be using either both strategies or just one, but we'll see whatever the market gives us. If the market gives us an opportunity using the 1-2-3 strategy or 1-2-3 modifications, then I'm gonna go for that. But if the market only gives me an opportunity with the modifications or 1-2-3 strategy, then I'm gonna use that. That's the reason why we have 2 or 3 strategies, so that if the market does not correspond with one or give us opportunities with one, at least we can fall with the other. So what I'm gonna do here, I have a chart opened. What is this? GBP USD. I have running trades. I'm in profits, all of them. So it's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day. We're running in $1,019 profits, so I'm pretty happy. So without wasting any much of your guys' time, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna simply look for a chart that we're gonna trade just now, just to show you guys. Let me remove all of these. Come on. Okay. What? Okay. So I have removed most of the lines. So let's see what the market gives us. Hopefully we find something. Okay, cool. Looking at the daily chart, this is the AUD USD daily chart. We have to start with the daily chart always when we analyze. There's this thing we call top-down analysis. So we start from daily charts. Let me remove these. So we start from the daily chart going downwards, or from the monthly chart going downwards. I will cover those explanations, or why we should start with higher time frame to smaller time frame later on. For now, I just want to show you that we start on a higher time frame, such as a daily chart, and we move over to 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, and eventually 1. But in this case, we always have to start with the daily chart every day, right? Just to see where we at with the market and what opportunity is offered to us by the daily chart. So we can clearly see, by now you should know the candlesticks pattern. So here you can clearly see that the market is at a resistance level just at this point here. So I'm going to draw a line, a horizontal line, just about here. This is the horizontal resistance. So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to go to 4 hours, because I can even see the stochastic here is oversold. The market here is overbought. Sorry, the stochastic is overbought. It's near 100. The market is overbought as well. So going to 4 hours, we can see that the market is actually trading horizontally, even though there is a downtrend. But inside that downtrend at this moment in time, yes, at this moment in time, the market is actually trading horizontally, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for the candlestick pattern to give us a clear insight of what's happening. Even if we look at the trending market, we at a resistance. and we at a resistance using the what you call the ranging market. So we're in two resistance, so this clearly means that we have to sell the market. So looking at 1 hour, the stochastic is selling, it's actually turning to sell. 1 hour is overbought, it's at the resistance, and now we just have to wait for the candlestick pattern. Moving over to 30 minutes, the candlestick pattern is at a resistance, double resistance, the uptrend resistance and the horizontal resistance. Also the market is actually selling at this point in time, so we can look to sell. Let's say we're gonna take a trade using 30 minutes because all the time frames are allowing us, they're all in favor, but the actual trend that's interesting at this point in time, it's actually the 30 minutes, because we are at a resistance and the stochastic is already turning down. So let's go over to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we are a bit late, the stochastic is already sold. The market is still trying to push and fight for a sell. Coming to 5 minutes, it's oversold. Looking at the stochastic, the market here is still selling. Coming to 1 minute, we can see that there's a potential of a support here, hence the market will look to reverse here, maybe bounce till this level again and then push back down. So we're gonna have to be more patient and not chase the market. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go back to daily chart and reanalyze and see what's happening. So fine, we're at a support, sorry, we're at a resistance when we can sell. Moving over to 4 hours, we're at a resistance, the stochastic is good for a sell, but we have to actually wait for it. Going to 1 hour, the market is actually selling, the stochastic is selling, so we can actually sell the market now, but we want to wait for 1 minute and 5 minutes to present us a good sell opportunity, right? What do I mean by that? I mean from 5 minutes the stochastic needs to be at level 80 or at least somewhere along the way, going down. It's not good to sell here whereas the stochastic is can turn at any time. So we are more interested even on 1 minute. We have to wait for the 1 minute stochastic to be at level 80, then that's when we are looking to sell the market. So I'm just going to go back to 1 hour. We can see that the market is actually a sell. So this strategy is the actual strategy of Caliber Trends strategy, the one that the market is presenting me with. I'm trading using the 1 2 3 strategy, not the one, sorry, I'm trading using the Caliber Trends strategy, not the 1 2 3 strategy, because the market, I'm trending the market using the trends, the horizontal and the trending market, which is overall trending down, right? Never mind, 1 hour is trending up, it's all because of this uptrend, but the actual market, looking at daily chart and 4 hours, the market is selling. And why the market is pushing up via 1 hour, there's this trend line via 1 hour, because the market has been pushing up overall, right? So why am I saying this is a strong sell when the market is pushing up? It's because of this resistance here, the red line here. This red line here tells me that this is a resistance plus 4 hours, and this trend line is telling me that the market is actually selling, right? So looking at 1 hour, the market is selling, the stochastic is selling. So the actual hour has closed. Looking at the minutes here, this is a new hour, this is a confirmation of a sell. So right now I'm just gonna look over to 30 minutes. Okay, good, it's a sell. 15 minutes is still selling, even though we're a bit late, but we're not trading using 15 minutes because we see an opportunity in the 1 hour. Still there's an opportunity in 30 minutes. 5 minutes is tired, hence you can see now the market is reversing, so we have to be a bit patient. Looking at 1 minute, the market actually reversed exactly at that support level. So like I said, it's gonna push at least till about this point here, or till the actual resistance itself. Once it touches the resistance, once the stochastic is at 80 or almost at 80, if you don't want to hold or wait till it reaches 80, you can just risk it. So what I'm going to do here is just to be a bit patient, but because of the time, I want to cut the video short. I will just simply place a sell and hope that the market actually not hope, because we're not trading with hopes, and wait till the market actually sells, because this hour is gonna sell. But because I have to cut the video short, I want to make this a 30 minutes video. The other videos that I have made, they actually don't want to share because of space. So let's move over to other trades and see if we do find anything that we can trade, at least this time, using the 1 2 3 strategy or the modifications. So this, okay, the GBP/USD, I'm already trading it. So let's start with daily chart, 4 hours, 1 hour. There's nothing to trade here. The market is too choppy. So I'm gonna keep on looking, guys, just bear with me. Okay, cool. I might see a potential of 1 2 3 here, even though the market is selling. Looking at the stochastic, we're just gonna have to wait for the stochastic to actually turn. Once it turns, what we're gonna do is okay, let me just check around first and see if there's an actual valid 1 2 3 strategy. Okay, let me move over. I'll come back if I do not find anything to trade. So let me quickly scan the market. Okay, no opportunities. Okay guys, so we are running in actual profits. The AUD USD, I have been scanning the market for entries with or for the 1 2 3 strategy. There seems to be no entries at this point in time. The market is actually not giving us anything to trade using the 1 2 3 strategy or modifications. There's just no opportunities. There's potential opportunities, but there's no opportunity at all. So I'm just gonna use the one that I think I saw on on USD JPY. So it's this one. This impulse here, this pullback, I'm looking for it to break, even though the overall direction is a sell, but the actual current movement, it's a buy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have to wait for the stochastic to show me signs that the market is actually pushing up. Once the stochastic turns above 50, then I want to open up my grid. Once the grid has been opened, let me zoom in. Once the grid is opened, we can see that the impulse actually reversed here on this square box right here. So the market reversed. So what we're going to do is we want to place our buy stop above this square box here where the market reversed. There's wicks inside here, yes, but they're not actually fully in or covering this. They're not even covering half of this box, right? So we still take this as a valid pattern. So what I'm gonna do here is that we want to place our buy stop at the middle of this box right here. Sorry about that, at the middle of the square box area right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place our order just about here, because this is the middle of the box. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna place buy stop, and my buy stop is in order, as in position. So once the stochastic turns, it will turn with me and push above till this level right here. And the stochastic, once it reaches level 80, then I will exit the market with profits. But as you all know that I'm a scalper, whenever I see profits I take them, especially when I'm happy with my profits. There's no need for me to keep on holding continuously, so just because of greed. So once this market actually triggers me with the buy, I can actually wait until I'm in profits and close. But also we still need to set our sell stop. So at this point in time I cannot be setting my sell stop because the stochastic has not actually turned, showing me signs that it's actually pushing above. But if it already turned facing up, and the stochastic the candlesticks, as you can see, they're green, showing that they're pushing up, what I would do is, if the candles reversed on this square box right here, I will have to place my pending order in the middle of this square box right here, so that it can trigger them, just to give them enough space. So that's the secret that I did not share in the PDFs, right? So what you're going to do is just in the middle, or if you feel it's too far, you can just bring it up a little and just place your sell stop, and that's just it. And then you using the modifications in this way, you have both your buy and sell in position, and all you have to do now is wait. And always remember the time frame you used to place your pending orders. I used 4 hours, so I'll have to come back later on once it has triggered. As you all know, if the buy triggers, then we delete the sell. If the sell triggers, then we delete the buy, and then we let the market do its job and run us into profits. So that's just basically it. We use the greed to actually place trades using the 1 2 3 strategy. As you can see, the market is actually not giving me any opportunity whatsoever. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope the video was very fruitful. As you can see, I'm fighting to be in profits. I'm fighting for the profits. So let's just wait and see how it actually plays out. But I'm actually in profits. I'm just fighting for good profits. So yeah, it's been good. It's been a great day. We killed the GBP USD, CHF, most of our trades today, so I was more hyped with the GBP USD. So I hope you understand the video. Should you not understand anything or need more explanation, feel free to DM me. I'll be more than happy to help you. So yeah, like I said, it's another day, another dollar. So let's work out, and peace.